Air conditioner installation companies play a crucial role in installing air conditioning systems. Proper installation is essential to ensure the smooth functioning of the air conditioning units. It also helps in saving energy costs and reducing environmental impact. Therefore, hiring a reliable commercial air conditioner installation company is vital. When looking for a commercial air conditioner installation company, consider their experience. A company with proven experience matched with excellent customer reviews would be ideal. You should also pay attention to their services, including maintenance, repairs, and replacements. Furthermore, it is essential to choose a company that offers a variety of options for your needs. They should assist you in advising which option suits your project best. G&P Mechanical has been a trusted partner of homeowners, businesses, and churches since 2010. G&P Mechanical acquired the A+ certification from the Better Business Bureau in 2015. Call today and let a commercial and residential air conditioning specialist help you. 713-351-9720. Again, 713-351-9720. G&P Mechanical offers up to 10 years of warranty in labor and parts. Call today.